Namaste students. I am JVN Dr. Akshay Bhati from Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Students, today we discuss about cultivation practices of grape from the course Production Technology for Fruit and Plantation Crops of the class BSc Agriculture semester 4th. Students, as you know, grape, botanical name Vitis vinifera, family Vitaceae, and origin Armenia, Russia. It is a tropical fruit, but also can adapt. It is a subtropical fruit, but also adapted to tropical condition. In India, it was introduced by its values of Iran and Afghanistan. It is a most delicious, refreshing, and nourishing fruits. 50% of the total production of fruits in the world is contributed by grapes. Cultivation of grapes is known as viticulture. Students, soil and climate. Fruit of semi-arid tropical, subtropical regions requiring warm, dry summer and a cool, rainy winter. During winter, the grapes shed off their leaves and take rest. During spring, they put forth new leaves and flowers. विंटर सीजन में जितना ग्रेप्स हैं वो अपनी सारी लीव्स को शेड कर देता है और रेस्टिंग पीरियड में रहता है, और जैसे ही स्प्रिंग आती है उसमें न्यू लीव्स एंड फ्लावर्स निकलने लग जाते हैं. द फ्रूट्स मैच्योर ड्यूरिंग समर, बट व्हेन देयर इज नो रेन, rain can damage or affects the quality of the fruits. A long, warm to hot, dry summer is needed for proper maturity and ripening. Well-drained, richy, loamy soil with pH 6.5 to 7 is good and ideal for grape cultivation. Soil depth should be almost 1 meter. Then propagation. Commercially, grape is propagated by hardwood cuttings prepared from matured canes. 1-year-old shoot of healthy, moderately vigorous और वायरस फ्री वाइन्स. कुछ रूट स्टॉक्स हैं जो फेमस हैं उनकी रेजिस्टेंस के लिए, लाइक विटिस रिपेरिया एंड विटिस रुपेस्ट्रिस इज रेजिस्टेंट टू phylloxera, and for nematode resistant doggerage and salt creek, and for saline tolerance Solanus and 1616. These are three root stock which used for different purposes. Then preparation of main field and planting. Trenched of 0.6 meter widening width and 0.6 meter depth are dug at the distance of 3 meter apart for muscat. For other varieties, 1 cubic meters pits are dug. Well composed FIM or compost or green leaves manure is used in trenches or pits which are completely covered by soil. The rooted cuttings are planted during June-July. Spacing for muscat is 3 into 2 meter, whereas for other varieties 4 into 3. Students, इसमें स्पेशली जितनी भी वाइन्स हैं उनको लगाने के अलग अलग तरीके होते हैं, जैसे कि इनको अलग अलग सिस्टम्स में हम ले सकते हैं जिन्हें हम ट्रेनिंग सिस्टम्स कहते हैं, लाइक telephone system, trellis system, tortora systems. These are the some systems on which it is usually trained. Irrigation immediately after planting, third day, and once in a week. Irrigation with held 15 days before pruning and also 15 days before harvesting. Manuring, FIM 50 kg per vine, nitrogen 200 gram, phosphorus 80 grams, and potash 0.16 kg per vine. The manure should be applied twice after pruning. Apply half the dose of K immediately after pruning and the other half after 60 days of pruning. Foliar spray of 0.1 boric acid plus 0.2% zinc sulfate plus 1% urea twice before flowering and 10 days after first spray to overcome nutrient deficiency. Students, जो ग्रेप है वो हायर फर्टिलाइजर्स और क्वांटिटी का रिक्वायरमेंट रखता है फॉर स्पेशल ग्रोथ और फॉर स्पेशल ट्रेनिंग. Special practices: tipping of shoots and tying of clusters in the pandal after the fruit set. Remove tendrils nipping the growth shoots of axillary bud and terminal buds at 12 to 15 buds, thinning the compact bunches by removing 20% of the berries at P stage. The clusters are dipped in the solution containing brestinoid 0.5 ppm and GA3 जिब्रेलिक एसिड जिसे कहते हैं 25 ppm at the rate 25 ppm 10 to 12 days after fruit set to maintain vigor, yield and quality parameters. Then students pest nematode for nematode carbofuran application 60 gram per vine a week before pruning and irrigated profusely. The soil should not be disturbed to at least 15 days. Application of neem cake 200 gram per vine also controls nematode. Flea beetles, Polisson 2 ml per liter after pruning and followed with 2 to 3 sprayings. Thrips, dimethoate 2 ml per liter. Mealybug Monocrotophus 2 ml per liter. Diseases में powdery mildew, sulfur dusting at the rate 6 to 10 kg per hectare and for downy mildew spray 1% Bordex mixture. Then ripening. For uniform ripening, spray of 0.2% potassium chloride at 20th and 40th day after berry set and clusters of seedless varieties are dipped in 25 ppm gibberellic acid at Calyptra fall stage and repeated again at pepper stage to increase the size of berry. Yield. Commonly it yields in seedless 15 tons per hectare per year, muscat 30 tons per hectare per year, Anabe Shahi and Arka hybrids 20 tons per hectare. Then students, this is all about the cultivation practices of grapes. So the class is concluded today. I believe you have understood well. This session was empowered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. Thank you, students.